Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. DQ ang may satisfactory. Ito po yung unang titingnan kung ano ba ang inyong IPCRF, kung meron bang satisfactory o wala. Pagkatapos noon ay eto na, yung mga performance requirements. Limbawa, kung mag-apply kayo for reclass ng Teacher 4, titingnan kung 21 proficient COI at very satisfactory or 16 proficient in COI at very satisfactory. Yung tatlong IPCRF mo, ano? Or ito interesting, yung Teacher 5. Yung requirement lang na performance ay 6 proficient COI at outstanding at saka 4 proficient in COI at outstanding, no? Nako, napakagandang niyan. Well, tingnan po natin ulit ito, isa pa. Ito sa mga master teacher din po naman ito. So yan, nandiyan po yung mga number of COI na outstanding at saka mga NCOI na VS or outstanding for the corresponding master teacher position. So basahin nyo na lang po. By the way, yan po ay galing sa DepEd Order number 24, series of 2025. Punta tayo doon sa sinasabi ko na satisfactory IDQ. Ito po nakalagay na pag advancement to any position in the next career stage, meaning from career stage 1 to career stage 2 shall be allowed. Pero provided daw the applicants meets the performance requirements. Yung kanina, yung nauna lang, yung mga number at saka COI at saka INCOI. Yeah, meet the performance requirement of the entry position of the career stage. In addition to the performance requirements of the position applied. Halimbawa, Teacher 2 applying for Teacher 5. Teacher 2 applying for Teacher 5 shall be required to submit 3 IPCRF showing 6 proficient COIs and 4 proficient in COIs at outstanding, with all the other 27 proficient indicators at very satisfactory. So yan po, meron po iyang example sa illustrative example number 3. So marami talaga ang nagtatanong dito kasi nga yung iba hindi binabasa tapos wala ito nung unang mga DepEd memorandum na inilalabas wala ito. So ito ay medyo bago na meron na palang nakalagay na dapat VS lahat yung mga indicators. Ito po yung illustrative example number 3. Si Teacher 2 ay mag-apply for Teacher 5. So yung requirement niya ay dapat may 6 proficient COI at outstanding at saka at least 4 proficient in COI at outstanding. Gamit po yan yung tatlong IPCRF. The IPCRF from 2024 to 2025, 6 proficient COIs at outstanding at saka 5 proficient in COIs at outstanding. And IPCRF from SY 2024 to 2025 and school year 2022-2023 showing at least VS rating and all PPST indicators. So yun, klarong-klaro po mga ka-Jesnabs. Gagamitin lang yung IPCRF ng 2024 to 2025 para sa mga outstanding na yan. So I hope it is very clear now. Thank you for having me mga ka-Jesnabs. Bye-bye.